In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design good-looking dashboards in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll know how to keep your data organized, highlight the right insights, and make your dashboard both clear and engaging. Start by keeping your raw data on a separate sheet. This keeps your dashboard clean and prevents accidental edits to your source. Name one tab, something like Data, and another Dashboard. Keep the data sheet as a tidy table with consistent headers, no merged cells, and one type of information per column. On the dashboard sheet, reference the data with formulas, pivot tables, or named ranges so everything updates automatically when your data changes. Think of the dashboard sheet as a presentation layer, and the data sheet as the engine under the hood. Next, use charts and summary tables for your key metrics. Decide what matters most, like totals, averages, growth rates, or on-time completion. Build quick summary tables with formulas or pivot tables, then turn the most important trends into charts. Choose chart types that match the story: line charts for trends over time, bar charts for comparisons, and pie charts only for very simple parts-to-whole views. Add clear titles, axis labels, and data labels where helpful. Keep the number of charts focused. It's better to show fewer visuals that truly answer the main questions. Apply consistent colors and fonts to create a cohesive look. Set a theme so your charts and tables share the same palette and typography. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 colors plus a neutral gray. Use one accent color to highlight key numbers or on-target performance, and another color for warnings. Pick a single font, then create hierarchy with size: larger for the dashboard title, medium for section headers, and regular for labels. Use consistent number formats and date formats so everything feels unified. Add slicers or filters for interaction. Slicers let viewers narrow the data by things like date range, region, or category without touching formulas. Place slicers at the top or left side, label them clearly, and connect them to the relevant range or pivot table. Test that charts and tables respond instantly when a slicer changes. Finally, leave white space to keep the dashboard clean. Space elements evenly, align edges, and give each chart room to breathe. Reduce visual noise by turning off unnecessary grid lines and borders, and avoid cramming too much into one screen. A calm layout makes insights easier to spot. That's it. Organized data, focused visuals, a consistent style, helpful interactivity, and intentional white space. Now you're ready to build a